Hi, you might have heard Google Drive. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. Google Drive allows users to store files in the cloud on Google servers, synchronize files across devices, and also share files. Actually, Google Drive offers users around 15 GB of free storage through Google One. Using Google Drive, users can change privacy settings for individual files and folders, including enabling sharing with other users or making the content public. We also have Google Drive application on our Android phones. In this video, I will show you how to upload files right from your phone to Google Drive, which could also be advantageous to save your phone space when you upload files to Google Drive. Hi, welcome to Teach Me K channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Now let's open my Google Drive. Once I open up Google Drive, this is how the page of the Google Drive looks like. Now you will already see a file which is being uploaded here, that is image1.jpg. Now if I want to upload a new file, you will see a plus sign at the bottom right hand here. Click on that. Once you click on that, the second option on the first row you will see called as upload. Click on that. Once you click on upload, which file you want to upload from your phone, go to the respective location of the file which you want to upload. I have certain images here that I wish to upload to Google Drive. I will select one of those images. Once I select that image, the file starts uploading onto Google Drive. Now you would see an image that is uploaded with a file name .jpg. This is how we would upload any fresh file right from your phone onto Google Drive. For these, prerequisites are you need to have Gmail ID, and the same Gmail ID should be logged in with the Google Drive. I find advantageous to use Google Drive because I could save my phone space, because whatever file I would have on my phone, I could upload it to Google Drive for my usage whenever I want to have it. I hope this also could be one of the space saving techniques on your phone. I have made another video on Google Drive which you will see in the I button. That is, whenever you do not have internet connection and you have the files saved in Google Drive, you could also be able to access those files right on your phone. I hope this video was informative. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.